Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Guys, it's almost spring. The snow is melting. It's actually been quite warm these past few days. So you know what that means. It's almost time to get back out on the water. I cannot wait. But in the meantime, unfortunately, we're just hanging out in the garage. So just want to get on here really quick and do a quick little video before we start getting close to the season. Just to say, again, first, thank you to everyone that came out to see my presentations at the Toronto International Boat Show this year. It was so great to catch up with everyone and see everyone there. And the interest in learning about Seadoos and camping with Seadoos was amazing. So thank you so much for that. It was great to talk to all of you. And as I said, hopefully inspire some of you guys to get out there and explore as well. With that, you know, there's not much going on, so I figured I'd start cleaning up and getting ready for the spring. So I was looking around and I found some old footage that I was about to delete, but there's this one clip where I'm up on the French River and it's just a POV of me going through one of the rapids and kind of talking about it as I do. So it's a continuous clip. There's no edit to it. It's just me going through it and kind of getting my thoughts as I'm going through the rapid. Isn't anything crazy, but maybe you guys would like to see what it's like. You know, this is the unedited, non-beauty shot look of it. So hope you enjoy it. And like I said, we're getting really close to the season. I can't wait to get back out there. I can't wait to meet up with you guys out on the water. We are going to be doing some subscriber rides this year, so I can't wait for that. More details to come. If you're interested in joining, please make sure you send an email to markforrestadventures@gmail.com. And then once I know what we're doing, probably going to try and do one early June for the first one. And I'll send out a blast email with what we're thinking about. If you can make it, great. If not, maybe you catch the next one. So guys, I hope you enjoy this little clip of just a POV of going through one of the rapids up in the French River. Can't wait to get back out on the water, start making videos for season 7. And again, can't wait to see you guys out there. So hope everyone's had a safe off season. Let's all start getting our babies all ready for the spring and getting ready to go out there. And we'll talk with you soon. So until, I'll just say this. Till the next video, guys, be safe out on the water. Or in this case, you know, get ready for the water. And we'll catch you soon. Please enjoy this little clip. Hope you like it. And we'll chat with you soon. Peace. And we're good. Yep. And away we go. Actually, I'm not going to rush these because it's shallow. Nice little whirlpool right there. That was nice. So there's a rock ledge right here, so we stay to this side. Right there. And now we kind of just let the current take us. Like we're doing 12 kilometers an hour and I'm not doing anything. 12. Now I realize this is into the sun, so apologize for that. So we're just about to go in the rapids right up here. It's going to go in and then we're going to do a cut to the right just because the other way has too much of a drop. So we'll kind of stop halfway just to make sure. Here we go. We're sitting at 22 feet underneath us right now, aiming for the V. Like I said, I've got no trigger, but I've got sports mode on, ready to go. Hand on both reverse and forward. So So I'm going to hit reverse here just to slow us down. Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. Doing good. Nothing there. Keep an eye on it. So again, we're just staying right in this line. Right there. And then we're going to curve this way. We want to make sure our back end goes. So we're going to hit some gas. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Punch it out. There we go. And then we check to make sure no one's coming down there. And we go down this one. Easy peasy Georgia Wheezy. All right, let's keep going. Nice.